Ferreira, and today we are building our first PC. Alright?
Isn't it yours?
This is my brother, Jeremy, and here are the parts, okay? This is a case fan right here. This is a case fan that basically, it basically brings airflow through the case. Okay? This is it. Corsair. Alright. This is the SSD. It's faster than a hard drive. Okay? This is where you put Windows and stuff like that. Alright? This is a hard drive. It's slower than the SSD, but it still gets files done in very reliable and stuff like that. Okay?
You know, you gotta get that mouse
Get that mouse pad. Get that mouse pad. You know. So $10. All right. This is the RAM. Okay. This is 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM clocked at 2666 megahertz. My bad for the tongue twisters and everything. Okay. This is made by Corsair. All right. This is the processor. Okay.
Intel Core i7.
Intel Core i7 6700K. This is overclocked version of it. Okay. It has the K on it. Okay. So this cools this right here. Okay. This is what cools this. So it's basically, yeah. Okay, so this is the power supply. This powers everything. This is the thing that powers everything. It's 650 watt. This is what pushes all the pixels on the monitor and the graphics. And this costs the most expensive. This is $430 right here. And this is all the This right here is the motherboard. Really expensive piece also. And it has RGB LED. Alright. Alright guys. This is all. And see ya in a time-lapse video. Bye bye. Three, 2, 1. Oh boy. Personal project complete. Really cool. Alright guys, we're back. Alright guys, we just finished building this PC. So I just finished moving this upstairs because I gotta download Windows on it first. First I gotta go to my laptop and then download Windows to the flash drive, and then I'm gonna put it on the computer so I can boot up into the BIOS. Then it will configure everything. It will just load up Windows. Alright guys, I'll see you guys when I'm back. Peace out. Alright guys, we just got done downloading Windows, or not done downloading Windows. I went ahead and downloaded all the drivers and all the stuff that I need for my PC. I didn't want y'all to see that because it was gonna take a long time. Alright guys, here's the keyboard. It's pretty cool. It's a Cooler Master light or whatever. It came with the combo, and we're just done with every driver. It took us a long time to download every driver. Like it was like 30 drivers to download. A lot. Alright guys, we're about to hop into some benchmarks on games, and see you there.
Eliminate all of the terrorists. Remaining. Op 4 eliminated.